Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular countertop ice makers, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker. The Antarctic Star is known for its premium chewable nugget ice, while the Igloo offers a budget-friendly option with quick ice production. We'll look at their daily ice production capacity, ease of use, and unique features to see which one stands out in the world of ice makers. Let's get started. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker specializes in producing chewable nugget ice, often referred to as sonic ice. This type of ice is highly sought after for its texture and ability to retain flavor. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker produces traditional cylindrical ice cubes, which, while functional, do not offer the same chewable quality. If you're looking for that delightful nugget ice experience, the Antarctic Star is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to daily ice production, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 34 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short during parties or events. If you need a high output, the Antarctic Star is the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker comes with a premium price tag of $209, reflecting its high-quality features and performance. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is priced at a budget-friendly $99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, the Igloo offers great value, but if you prioritize quality ice, the Antarctic Star may justify the higher cost. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The Antarctic Star is perfect for those who love chewable nugget ice and need a high daily output, while the Igloo is a fantastic budget option for casual ice needs. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which ice maker is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.